Oil achieving the lows at 72.4 has recovered nicely and strongly till 80.5 levels. And if you recall, I told you several times that oil is trading with these support levels and it is very near to these support, and only if you see it trading below 70-71, you can consider it to be bearish and we may see stronger fall. Likewise, we did see that it is trading in this expanding triangle level. So is it the reversal for crude oil WTI, or we can again see a break next week? And if yes, which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Do watch the daily analysis, twice a day updates for crude oil which I share every day, once with the Asia session, next with the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, we look into candlestick charts, followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and a strategy for next week. Do watch till the end. Now, see on the daily charts, we did see that precisely it is very near to the bottom here. And for next week, even if it tries to drop 71 levels, certainly is going to be the support. Now, another observation on the daily charts, we did see last week also that 82.6 levels. Yes, this needs to be breached in order to for it to trade bullish. Now, just eliminate these levels, and if you look at higher lows, higher highs, so in fact, it is trying to recover a bit, reverse a bit. Now, at the same time, look at the last candle. See, first previous candle was a red candle with a tail there, and then this sharper recovery here which took it close to 80.5 levels. So this is the first green candle after creating the support here at 78. Now it is trying to reverse. So these things again and again I told you last week in my weekly analysis and daily analysis that first 70 and then 80 levels, these two levels need to be breached, and then thirdly I will look forward to 82.6. Once it breaks beyond 82.6, certainly we can consider that oil has reversed and we are looking forward to 85-90 levels. So now wait for it to break past 82.6 levels next week. If it continues to trade bullish, I will definitely be watchful of this. Beyond that, certainly we are going to look at first 83.5 and then 85 levels. As yes, just eliminate these long term, but look at the near term channels, higher highs, higher lows, trying to trade bullish. Possibly 84, 85 certainly be a good resistance. Now this is just on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the weekly chart. Likewise, on the weekly charts, this is trying to trade in this box despite a little drop earlier. It failed to breach and successfully traded bullish, but yes, it has achieved the bottom of this channel. Now, the highs of this channel, we will wait for 82.5, 83.5 levels, and then certainly 85. If these three levels are taken, certainly you can expect little more bullishness. But on the weekly charts, another important point to note here is, now see this, just connect this, lower highs, lower lows, and this time it failed to achieve the lower low. So there is a gap there which it created, which means it can possibly try to retrace a bit back a bit. However, remember the highs of the channel 8 at 88 levels to be watch out for. So first thing is 82.6, next is 83.5, 85, and then 88. If these three levels are taken, you can consider that it is bound to reverse 92.5, and then in fact it can fly high further. That is another point. Now next thing, look at the behavior for last 2 weeks. See, it has created the symmetry. We did see that it has created the symmetry here, two green candles, two red candles, and still forming the base here. Now this candle is almost engulfed within the previous candle, and hence once you see it trading above this zone at 80.5 next week, certainly you can stay long, and then one can expect 82.5, and in fact we can expect a further bullish candle which may try to take it till towards 83.5 and 85 levels. In fact, it can be a stronger bullish candle also which may take it further high till towards 88 or 90 levels. Be very careful there, because see, a stronger bullish candle we have seen completely erasing the losses from here. So probably if it rises, this is going to be a very strong rise. Now let's have a look at the monthly. Now see, on the monthly charts, lower highs from previous candles, and this candle again trying to rise. Hence, you should be cautious of 82, 82.6 level. Achieving lower highs, remember it can reverse also. achieving lower highs at 82, 82.5. It can reverse also, and hence only if it breaks past 82.6 and 83.5 levels, then we can expect that it is trying to trade bullish. Yes, you can stay long above 80.5. However, remember two levels, that is 82, 82.5 and then 83.5. If these levels are taken, you can consider that it is reversing, and then the reversal can be sharp enough for it to take it at around 87, 88 levels, and in fact it can rise further. So be careful there. Also, another observation on the monthly charts is almost flat bottom, or you can see a little lower highs, so lower highs, lower lows. So achieving those levels also it can reverse, and hence we should be watchful there, because see, one candle of indecision, then a smaller red body, and now if it reverses it should be a stronger one, else it can reverse. So be careful of this. Next, also on the monthly charts, we did see that if it breaks below this zone, the next support level was 67, 65 levels. So yes, if it breaks below 70, it is going to give you further bearishness. That was the another observation there. So these are with the help of the charts alone. Let's have a look with the help of indicators. Now look at the indicators. It is getting the resistance from the 100 period moving average and the 20 and 50 period moving average. Now are still in bullish zone, are trading with little divergence here. Now it has to break and sustain above this zone at 80.5. Certainly we can see a little more bullishness then and then only. Also remember, right now the 20, 50 and 100 period moving average, here the 20 and 50 have crossed over. This indicated near term bullishness, and once it crosses over above 100, certainly little more bullishness can be observed there. Now look at the directional movement. This is divergent and bullish here. It can continue to diverge, but at the stochastic, if you look at it, has come to overbought levels, and which also indicates that 82, 82.6 levels are going to be a very, very good resistance. Only and only if it trades beyond 82, 82.6, you can expect little more bullishness, but then 83.5 levels also to be watch out for. So these three levels you should note and you should watch out for. Now look at the daily charts MACD. The MACD has crossed over. Interestingly, this is a bullish cross. This is the first green candle, and probably we can stretch the bullishness here in oil for a little while. It can give you a rally till 82. Probably it can try to trade bullish, and then from there a little retracement, and again it may try to trade bullish. Now look at RSI. This is dropped and now trying to recover, and it has recovered nicely. Look at the weekly charts here. On the weekly charts, you can see the 120 period moving average crossover here. This is fairly a little bearish indication, but at the same time, it may start to converge from here. Just wait for it to cross over above 82, 82.5 levels, and then little more bullishness can be seen there. The directional movement on the weekly charts is so far bearish. It is still divergent. Probably we need to see a little conversion here. Stochastic has seen a little drop. It has come to comfortable levels. And if you look at the MACD, this is trading with little divergence here. This is looking upwards here. You can see this crossover is happening after a sharp decline here, and hence possibly a little recovery can be seen if it continues to diverge from here. So from here, possibly stronger bullish candles to be seen in order to for it to trade, or it to diverge a little, and hence if it rises it is going to be a stronger one. The stock RSI is also trying to look upward, showing little strength here after consolidating for a while. And if you look at the monthly chart, on the monthly charts, it is trading at the median of the Bollinger Bands here, trading above the 50 and 100 period moving average. Also, if you look at the monthly charts, it is so far trading bullish. It has converged a bit, and now if it is bullish, it can start to diverge again. The stochastic, which was trading oversold, has recovered a bit here. It is looking upwards. Possibly little rally can be seen. But at the same time, on the monthly charts, one more point to observe here is that the highs are done. It is trading with divergence. It is trading with bearishness. One more point to observe here is the peak is done for this. The candle here has peaked, and see the candle size have started to flatten a bit. So probably it may try to start converging a bit, may give couple of green candles, and then again a little divergence can be seen, because see the journey is lot much there to cover. On the downside, it has already crossed over at a high, and probably it can stretch the drop for a little while, and hence you should be. Now also, if you look at the bottom of this is nearly at around zero levels. So possibly, if even if it tries to converge or trade bullish for this month or next month, may again see a drop later in few months. So be careful there. Or those who want to take a long-term position, or those who want to trade a contract for May or June, you have to be cautious there. The RSI is also dropped a bit. So we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for us to define the levels and strategy for next week. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts on first week of March. Reserve your seats now. Limited seats are available. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies so that you can trade profitably. Also, you can be part of my signals channel. Reach out to me for more details on both my Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. So, where to buy? Firstly, I will recommend you can buy at 80.2, but then wait for 80.5 to be breached. Now see, the levels to buy here are, if you buy at 80.2, yes, you can buy at 80.2, but remember 80.5 first resistance and the strongest level at 80.8. Now if it trades above 82.80.8 levels, certainly directly we can see the next levels are close to 82 levels. Now remember, beyond 81.8 levels, you can expect that the next resistance which it might get it is at this zone, which is precisely at around 82 and 82.6 levels. You should watch these levels carefully, and only if it trades above 83.4. See, this is the next resistance level. Only and only if it trades above that, you can expect that the oil has reversed. We may see 85, 87, 88 levels within this week itself. Remember, once it trades above 83.5 levels, little more and stronger bullish momentum can be seen here. This could be considered as a breakout here. Now on the downside, yes, you can sell at 79.5. However, 79.8 to 79.2, 78 and 77.4. These levels you should watch out for. Very, very strong support, and just till the time it trades above 77.4 levels. Only below 77.4 you can expect that we may see little more bearishness, which might take it till towards 76, 74 levels. I don't see. Probably we may see a bullish breakout. You should be careful here with the short entries till the time it trades above 77.4. Probably little more bullishness can be seen, and we may see a rise till 82, 82.5. In fact, 84 levels also can be seen there. But only thing is, because we know that the blue boxes are going to be a stronger resistance zone, you have to keep booking your profits till then, such that in case of a reversal, your profits are intact. So one point is, either you should trail your stop losses. Second is, either you can shift your stop losses at one of these boxes, one of these resistance levels, such that your profits are preserved. And the third point is, keep booking the profits at a target and keep re-entering if you see it trading in the same direction. So take your trades accordingly. Little by little you can increase your capital. Little by little you can increase your wealth. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.